Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys the best and easy way to search for phones or phones accessory on DigiCycle. I have released a video about DigiCycle which has to do with importing of used phones and phone accessory right from US to Nigeria or whichever country of your choice. So if you would like to join the premium class on this gadget importation, you can as well contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video, so we're able to talk about premium class as far as the gadget importation is concerned. So in today's class guys, I'm going to explain everything you need to understand when you are sourced for product on DigiCycle. There are two ways by which you can source for product. You can source for a product that has no fault, that is a product that has no issues, like product that is work perfectly, the product that is working fine. Okay, another way by which you can source for a product are the products that has some scratch, or a product that has high mouthpiece problem, or a product that has screen problem. Those are the things you need to consider before you can actually procure from the site. So let's get to the practical started. So the first thing I'm going to do right away, I'm going to log in into my accounts. All you have to do is to come to the top here and then click on sign in. So you click on sign in, it's going to take you to this point, and you have to enter your email address and then you enter your password. Then you log in. Alright, so when you successfully log in as a registered member on digicycle.com, there are some features you'll be able to see when you log in. One of the features are these. All these symbols and icons simply means a lot of simply means that phones that have some issues. So because I have already logged in, that is where I was able to see all these signs. All these signs has a meaning. So if you take your mouse to each of these icon, they're going to tell you the meaning of all these things. So you can see the names and the meaning of what happened to the particular stuff. So how do we search by find a repair stock by issues? Okay, all you have to do is to click on this icon here. You can see, so the first thing now is to make sure that you tick on yes. When you tick on yes, you click on this search icon. So when you click on the search icon, it's going to bring out all the phones that has issues. All right, so from the result here, we have about 1,000 plus results. You can see it right here. So we have about 1,000 plus results for phones that has issues. So if you take your mouse to some of the symbol here, you'll be able to know what are the issues these phones actually have. So this is how you can search by phones that has issues. And if you take your mouse to another one, you see what are the issues the phone has before you can decide to purchase the particular phone from the DigiCircle. So you have to just click on View Details. So when you click on View Details, let me click on this one here. So right here, you can see the phones here. These are the issues. Items has some noticeable wear, but overall very good condition and works great. The phone has a bad ESN issue and service. Artifaction is not guaranteed. So now, if you are the type that want to buy this type of phone, definitely you must have consult your phone engineers, so that they are the one that can guarantee you to buy this type of phone. If you know you can actually work on this phone and it will work perfectly, when you actually bought it, so you can go for this phone. So you can as well click on the product and see full pictures of the product. But advisably, it is always good to purchase a phone that has a very good condition. If you know you cannot repair the particular phone, don't go for a phone that has issue. So let's just close the bar. Now, another way by which you can search for product is to use a search engine here. So when you enter search engine here, you type in the keyword of the particular phone you are interested. Let's say I'm interested in LG product. So you can select LG. Okay, then click on search icon. All right, so you can see from the screen here we have just 86 items for LG products. Okay, now the first one here is just $4.97, which is LG C410 Expression 2, but the phone has issues, so you can see it here. So if you want to see the issues of the phone, you can click on this icon and read the issue. So if you know you can work on the phone, you can easily bought it. So another product here is just $65.79. So this is the product name, and the products work like is like new. You can see it here. So for you to see the detail of this product, all you have to do is to right click and open in a new tab. So another one here is just a 69. You can see it here. It's just $69.99 and the phone works excellently. So you can just click on the product link, right click, and click on open in a new tab. Now let's see the full picture and the every other thing about the product. So you can see LG G-Pad X2 8.0. So it's just 32 gig black. So you can scroll down. So you can take your mouse and see the full picture of the product. You can see this is the back. So this is the camera, and these are the side button of the phone. So the phone here, items is near mint and cosmetically almost like new condition. This simply means that and you can see the cosmetic condition is excellent. That is, the phone has a very good store, so you are good to go to buy. So let's just close it and move on to the search and see some other products. You can scroll down. These are LG phones accessory. This is G5 loudspeaker. So the brand, it is a brand new. These are brand new items. So the quantity is one at the rate of 66 cents. So these are other LG phones spare parts. So like I said earlier, this website has to do with sales of used and accessory phone. So this is another one here. This one has issue also. Items is excellent cosmetic condition with just some very minor sign of use. There is a very small crack or chip on the unit. So see photo, just a very minor cosmetic. So this is just 85.79 US dollar. So you can scroll down, and there is always an item based on your budget. So you can scroll down and continue to search for whatever product you are interested to buy. Okay, now a very sound warning to people that would like to purchase iPhone from this particular store. Okay, so let's say for instance I'm interested in iPhone. So you can easily come to the search bar here and type in iPhone, and click on the search icon here, or you press enter key on your keyboard, and let's see some of the iPhones results. All right, so you can see these are the result of iPhone's product. So the result we have here is 1,200 items. So from this 1,200 items, you can easily search for your interested items out of this store. But when you are searching for iPhone, you need to consider that whatever iPhone you're going to buy, make sure it is unlocked GSM. That is a very important thing to note when you are trying to purchase iPhone. But in some other case, if you would like to purchase an iPhone, a locked factory, you need to contact your phone engineer before you can go ahead to purchase the phone. But nevertheless, I always recommend that you buy unlocked iPhone. So these are just the tips and tricks and the easy way by which you can search for products by used. Search for products by repair, and search for products in an excellent condition. So these are the two ways by which you can search for products on digicycle.com, US used phones and phone accessory. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a big thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and to subscribe to the channel. Now, lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class on importation, whereby I will hold you by hand and show you every step you need to take to be a successful importer, either from US or China or India or Turkey, whichever country of your choice, feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. I'll be able to discuss my premium class with you guys. And if you have any further question as far as this video is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching the video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.